Hi guys, my name is Kimsan Hadasa. I am grade 7 student. Today I will be present about desiccation. What is desiccation? Desiccation is a process of cleaning something to remove or kill harmful microorganisms like bacteria and virus. ዲስፊኬሽን በሽታዎች እንዳይተላለፉ ይረዳል። በተጨማሪም በአልኮል ብሊች ወይም ዋይፕ በመጠቀም ጠረጴዛ፣ መስኮቶችን፣ በሮችን በማጽዳት እና ስልክን በማጽዳት ባክቴሪያ እና ቫይረሶችን ማጥፋት። Desiccation is different from cleaning. Cleaning removes dirty, but desiccation kills germ and virus. It's very important in places like hospital, school, and home. Common desiccation include are alcohol, bleach, and spray and wipe. Example of desiccation are washing hand with sanitize, cleaning desk and door handles። ስለተከታተላችሁን ያመሰግናለሁ። ላይክ፣ ሼር፣ ኮሜንት ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። ቀሪውን ቪዲዮ ተጋበዙ።
Today, we are going to demonstrate how to properly clean an office. To get started, what you'll need are products, Greening the Cleaning, all-purpose cleaner, stainless steel and furniture polish, a neutral floor cleaner, cream cleanser, and a glass and window cleaner. To get started, place a wet floor sign outside the area to be cleaned. Empty waste baskets. Clean inside and outside of the receptacle using the all-purpose cleaner. Place new garbage bag in the receptacle. Using a dusting tool, dust around the room, dusting ceiling, fence, walls, ledges, and fixtures. Damp wipe all surfaces using a solution of all-purpose cleaner, pre-diluted at 4 ounces per gallon in a spray bottle. Polish all furniture and stainless steel, if applicable, using the stainless steel and furniture polish. Spot clean any windows or glass surfaces using glass and window cleaner. Clean all faucets and basins using all-purpose cleaner and cream cleanser.
Mami, udah namunya. መንገድ ላይ ምግብ በልቶ ይሆናል ዶክተር ዋህቴ።
ላይሆን ይችላል። እጅ ላይ የሚገኙ በአይን የማይታዩ ጀርሞች ለሆድ ህመም መንስኤ ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ።
ግን እኮ እጆቻቸውን ይታጠባሉ
ሁል ጊዜ።
በላይፍ ቦይ ነው?
አይ በውሃ ነው።
በውሃ ብቻ መታጠብ በቂ አይደለም። እጅና ሰውነትን በላይፍ ቦይ መታጠብ ያስፈልጋል። ምክንያቱም በሽታ አምጪ ከሆኑ 10 አይነት ጀርሞች ይከላከላል። ላይፍ ቦይ